welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-character ke Smoke and Mirrors, and siphinde siyibone ke futhi nalaphana ke ku Amalanga Awafani. Well guys, igama lakhe ke uSibonakaliso Mazibuko. Ku-Smoke and Mirrors uSipho, kanti ke kuMalanga Awafani unguDulasi. Igama lakhe guys la ngempela uSibonakaliso Mazibuko, uphinde ke aziwe ngelikangabade. Uyinsizwa ke yomZulu ezalelwe ke KwaZulu Natal endaweni ke iyaKwaceza. Wayesekhulela ke lokishini ke lokwaMashu. Usibonakaliso strongly believe in God, and he's a culture in his culture. He is a family man with ethics, value, and very disciplined yet humble. Usibonakaliso wafunda ke amabanga aphansi ePhakama Primary School khona ke kwaMashu. Wayeseya ke high school eNqaba kaZulu High School khona futhi ke kwaMashu. Waqeda khona futhi ke umatric kwaMashu. Bathi ke uqale ke ukuvela noma ke ithayile lakhe loku-acta laqala khona ke esikoleni e-high school yakhe, mabenikwa nje igrithanyana kuthiwa ke ake ni-acte lokhu. Ngiyakhumbula guys ukuthi ke sisafunda kwake kuthiwa ke ndlala lo mdlalo lo, bese ke bebona kuthisha ukuthi cha lo unalo ithalente lokwenza ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. So uthi kuthando lwakhe ke kwezoku-acta laqala khona lapho ke esikoleni sakaMashu eNqaba kaZulu High School. Wayeseke yibona ukuthi cha kahlehle mina ngiyayithanda lento ke engiyenzayo. Guys, siyambona ke noma ke sike sambona ke kumabona kude wethu ey'torini enjengozalo, ey'torini enjengo-Durban Jen, Hostela, and many more, and we'll soon be seeing him laphana ke kwi-King Shaka as one of the praise singers. Usibonakaliso guys uthi ke akazange abe nethuba noma he was not privileged enough ukuthi ke abe nemali yokuya ke e-university after umatric. He had to do up his job for living and do art part-time. At a later stage he resigned from where he was working and he concentrated on acting up to this day. And guys, we can testify ukuthi cha ngampela he is concentrating la kwi-acting ngoba wow, what a talent guys, what a talent. Yabona into yenza laphana ke guys kwi-Smoke and Mirrors uhleka kuze kube hlungisisa ngiqala kumnothisa ku-Smoke and Mirrors guys mangabe actor laphana ke nomngani wakhe ke, I think uThami, I can't remember the name very clearly, but ke guys yo baya actor simbonile sewenza imayini, simbonile funa i-promotion, simbonile bemdlisa upoison noma ke ehambe enyangeni emnika umuthi ebuyela kuyo. Simbonile guys elala maslay queens, kuningi sikubonile ngaye, and the character guys, I don't want to lie, he is nailing every character ke abamnika yona. Sambona efaka amazipho, sambona ebuyela emsebenzini, yabona sambona eboleka imali laphana kwe-Smoke and Mirrors. Mokuthi uyasibuka guys Smoke and Mirrors, this guy is very funny, like yo you enjoy ukumbuka ke guys. If ungakamqaphelisisi kahle, please go and watch lezi story lezi. Currently guys siyaphinda futhi simbona phana ke kwi Amalanga Awafani, umdlalo ke lo sasemusha siwubuka laphana ke ku-SABC 1 njalo ngo Monday to Friday guys. uDulasi yeah man yo uDulasi uyangihlekisa guys ngayo yonke into ayenzayo. Yabona nje ngisho ukuthi he is a born actor, umuntu nje effortless. When he acts effortless, uyabona ukuthi akayiforce lento le ikuye, uyayiphila. Siyambona ke uDulasi umkhwenyana kaThembi ezoshada iwele ngoba linemali eboleka iloan kuyona, convince ubabezali ukuthi yena ula embonini yena, yabo like yo the guy man. Hayi man, no guys, ngicane imnika imbali yakhe esaphila, give him his flower while he can still smell it. He is nailing all the characters abamnikeza kuyona. We are hoping to see more of him guys, because currently ngampela he is uyavelela, ukuthi umuntu ovelele. Guys yeah siyabonga kakhulu bakithi ukuthi ke sibe namathalente ke anjengalawa ke kumabona kude wethu. Anganombusuko wayembona yini, yipi character oke wambona kuyona, and yipi character obona ukuthi no he is nailing i-character le ayidlalayo. For now, for me, it's Smoke and Mirrors guys. I love him. kuDulasi I like him. The way he speaks, the way he speaks, the way yonke into ayenzayo iyangichaza laphana nje estoreni. Yo, Dulas. Uhleli mahali futhi njengamanje lapha kumalanga awafani. Ngathi unemali kanti akanalutho. Usetheke usembonini yena unamatekisi uyi-owner. Guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.